Yes, it's an investigation that ran for the past 2 months between the Hawks and crime intelligence and also visible policing components here in Limpopo. Then last night we pounced on this property. It's close to Messina area, like you mentioned, and we discovered this clandestine lab here in Messina, and we recovered currently drugs worth about 600 million rand. It is a normal drug that we call tick on the street, and we also arrested 5 suspects. 2 of them were from Zimbabwe, 1 from South Africa, 1 Malawian, and 2 from Mexico.
And are we aware of when these drugs got there, how they actually got there?
No, that's still part of the investigation. Like I said, it's for the past 2 months that we were watching the property through the Hawks and crime intelligence, and the operation took off last night. I'm here on the scene since 2 o'clock this morning.
So was this a facility that I'm assuming actively producing drugs as you pounced on it last night?
They were actively in the